Hello, our YouTube family. How are you all? I know that you all are fine, and here in this moment we are gonna do a role play of a shopkeeper and customer, and I am gonna be a shopkeeper and he is gonna be a customer, and I am Mohit Kumar and I am Ranjit Kumar. Yeah, and after some moment we will go there and we will do shoppings, and let's see what happens next.
Hello, yeah.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How can I assist you?
I need a gift.
Yeah. Gift.
Yes.
Okay, I'm showing you. 1 minute. So here it is, that is so beautiful and lovingly. If your sister will see this, teddy bear, she will be very happy. You can buy it. This is its price is.
Let me show it.
Yeah, you can see.
It is really awesome.
Yeah,
I will take it.
yeah.
How much is this?
Its a total price is 500 rupees.
Yes.
But you are my regular customer. I will discount at least 10%, and that will be 450. Is this affordable for you?
Yes.
This is affordable.
Please,
Oh yeah. How do you like to pay, sir?
I would like to pay by UPI.
UPI.
Please give me the QR.
Sir, here it is. So okay, sir. Visit again. I felt emotionally, very good to meet you because you are really an honest person.
I would like to visit again your shop.
Okay.
Because
Really?
you are give me
A discount.
discount.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.